Hello, welcome to Tam's Lego and Brick Builds, and today I'll be showing you how to make a card holder. The reason I built this is because, not sure about you guys, but when we play our card games, our card boxes always get wrecked for some reason. So I designed this and it actually works. Pretty functional actually. Let's get started. So to start, you want an 8x6 base plate, or not really a base plate, just a plate, and a 4x6 plate. You then want to add 2 glass panels just in the center, like this, with any colour plate on top. So it should be looking like this. Then you want to build this thingy, which has like a 1 stud area here, 1x3 here, but then it goes into a 2 stud place here with quite a bit of fatness actually, 6 bricks long, the whole thing. You want to build it until it's 10 bricks tall and finish it off with some tiles and plates. It's important, I'll show you why later. You then want to snap that on and make sure that your cards fit in. So I already tested mine and my cards fit in quite smoothly actually. Then just like use 2 tiles to lock it in place with the glass tiles. And you can just build like a fancy roof like this, used by 2x6 plates. I used 4 of them. I used a 4x6, just overlapping them, and then a 2x2 brick on top, like that. And I just put that, on top, and it closes, pretty much. Let's test this. This works pretty well. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share. Bye.